Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this H logo in Adobe Illustrator CC. So let's get started. Choose Line tool and draw a vertical line. Click and drag towards right side to make copy. Press Ctrl+D to make multiple copies. Having all lines selected, go Edit and choose Copy, then again go to Edit and choose Paste in front to take the duplicate copies at the same place. Rotate and position them horizontally. Make sure all vertical lines are selected, then right-click, hover over on Transform and then click on Rotate to open Rotate dialog box. Take two copies of the selected lines, one at 45 degree and the other one at 90 degree. Select all. Choose Shape Builder tool, and swap the colors. Fill the area as shown in the video until you get the desired result. Select the filled area, and separate it from the lines. Delete all unnecessary lines. expand the logo. Then go to Windows and choose Pathfinder, and choose First Unite option. Fill the logo with desired colors. Once done, save it in PNG format with transparent background. Now it's time to put our logo inside the PSD mockup. I will use this mockup. Download link of this mockup is given in the description of this video. After downloading the mockup, extract and open it. After opening the PSD mockup, double-click on the bottom right side of the first layer. Now open your logo. Copy it, and paste it inside the smart layer. Save and close it. It's done. So that was the logo design tutorial in Adobe Illustrator and putting the logo inside the logo mockup. I hope you like it. If you have any question, suggestion or feedback, feel free to comment below. Also please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.